Noise pollution is excessive noise that produces discomfort or is harmful. Noise is measured in decibels. The WHO sets outdoor night noise limits at 40 decibels, while the limit of sound in industrial, commercial, and traffic areas should not exceed 70 decibels. Most excessive noise is caused by machines, transports such as planes, trains, and motor vehicles, and outdoor festivals and concerts. In large cities of Pakistan, where there is an excessive use of cars and motorbikes, horns, and the use of loudspeakers in ceremonies and festivals, traffic noise in public areas is regularly above 100 decibel. These are beyond the norms set up by World Health Organization. Research shows that noise pollution can cause stress, high blood pressure, sleep disturbance, and hearing loss, and possible links to higher rates of heart disease. In Karachi, noise pollution has caused hearing impairment in 33% of rickshaw drivers, 57% of shopkeepers in busy areas, and 83% of traffic police. Animals are also affected by noise. Noise can make animal habitats unsuitable, and background noise can make animals less alert sounds of their prey when they are hunting. It has been shown that sonar from submarines and ships can upset whales' navigation systems,